Hello. Hello, everybody. Everyone, I'm going to share my screen because I want to show you how I use ManyChat. So let me share my screen. So here is the dashboard. So you have home and contacts, growth tools, automation. I go right to automation. And so here are some of the automations that I've done. And it's a paid account. So I have the paid account as well. I forget which account that I have. I need to look that up so I can tell. But I have a paid account. And so and it's a subscription. So every month, I think it's like $15, actually. It wasn't crazy. But every month, it's $15 and I really like it. I've been doing it now for about a month and I've gotten good feedback from it. First of all, people have been responding to it and they're thinking that it's me. So that's the whole point, that they feel like, oh, Shonnie's communicating with me. It's not like it's not too robotic. Shonnie's communicating with me. This is very cool. And so that's what you really want. You want to be able to communicate with people. That's the whole point of this, to stay engaged. Oh, they commented on your post. Or if they commented, then, we want to respond. So that's really good. So now what I do is, you can go here and go to new flow to create a flow for yourself. And they have all kind of easy ones, like you see right here. Well, easy to start. That's, like beginner, then popular, more experienced. So these all depend on what is your post about, and then what is your message. So it's really helping you to be more strategic and purposeful about your posts. We're no longer just posting stuff randomly. We're posting things because we know we're speaking to our audience. Oh, we're speaking to them? What are we saying? What do we want? What is the call to action every time? Always giving them a call to action, always inviting them to definitely comment on your post. So, and start from scratch. I don't recommend starting from scratch because if you don't know how to do this stuff, then how can you start from scratch? And that's wasting a lot of time. So I start out with using the beginners. So here is, let me cancel that. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Hold on, sorry, y'all. Let me get back. Okay, back to automation. Boom, we back. Okay, and as you can see, that's what I did. This right here, it is still there, but I don't want it. So I'm gonna get rid of it. Like, I don't even need you in my stuff right now, okay? So let's get this out of here. Okay, here we go. So here is one that we can use. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna duplicate. And you can name them. See, they're all named. So I'm going to duplicate because I want to use this again. And I don't need to be trying to reinvent the wheel. I know what I'm doing. I know what this message is, and I just want to use it. Okay, so say you want to put together, you got your post ready. And what I love about this is that you can schedule your ManyChat to go out for your next post. You can have it to where it's going to just be for a particular post. So like if you already posted something, you already sent it out, and you're like, you know what, I want to add a automation to that, then you can do that too. So open this up and you can put it to any post. Like right here, I can use any post I want to use. I can use what I have right here, use another one, but I need to come out and actually duplicate this. Get rid of that. Sorry, I'm still getting used to it as well. Okay. Now I may want to use a different post. Right now, this particular post, I duplicated it, so it's attached to something else. Oh, let's change the name of the post too. You can just call it for now, next post. Take that copy out. Next post, okay? Go back to edit. Okay. So what's going to be your keyword for this? I put in here that the keyword to be a heart, because I know with these posts, I'm like, drop a heart down at the bottom if you want to, to follow and subscribe to my YouTube page. Okay, so that's that. And then where do I want the post to go to? Oh, it's still, hold on. Duplicate. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so I had to delete that and duplicate it so that I can open it up. So say I want this to go on a select publication. It's going to go to my IG account, and let's put it right here. So this post right here is going to attach this. So if someone puts a heart, then that's going to start the conversation, the automated conversation. Okay, so we want to save it. And so when they leave that heart, it's going to say, oh, just sent you a DM, check your DM. So either one of those is going to pop up in here. And maybe I'll do something else. Thanks for commenting. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Check your DM. Okay, so save that. So either one of these will populate when someone drops a heart. So we see we got it right here. We know that's going to be the post that it's on. This is great. Okay. Let me see if I can rename this growth tool, because it has a lot of copy. Okay, so I can't rename it. Okay, that's fine. So right here, now we got to go to the next one. Right here, when they do that, what's going to happen? Well, when they put that heart, then it's going to be something that goes into their DM. This is what they'll see in the DM. They'll say, well, hello there. And, or I can make it say, well, hello. And it can be their full name, their first name, last name. I like to do first name. So it'll say, well, hello there, such and such. I have more home tours for you to view. Have a look at my YouTube channel. Click the link below. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, like, put a comment because it wasn't there. Like, subscribe, and share my channel. I do this for you, and your support is greatly appreciated. Okay, so they're going to go here and see other home tours. This is terrific. Okay, so now that's saved. So now I'm gonna publish it now. So actually, before I publish it, let me just change the name. David. How you spell David? Davidson. Okay. Just double check. Okay. Double check this. I like that. Good. So now hit publish. and it's published. So let's check it. So here's the thing. When you need to check your ManyChat, it's good if you have 2 Instagram accounts. So you'll hit preview. And so what you'll do is it'll say, go to send a direct message to yourself from another account. So I would send a direct message to myself. I have like 4 Instagram accounts. So I'll do that just to double check that it looks right. And if it looks right, great. If it doesn't, then I come back in here and I make changes. So that's super easy. So this is something that anybody can do, you know, and it's good to have things set up like this because it just makes you look more of a professional. People start to begin to take you even more seriously because they see that you're doing things that are very professional and efficient. You know, the average professional and business person, they really appreciate things like this because it makes them think that you know what you're doing and you are up on, you're just up on business, you know, business ethics and etiquette, like you get it. And so now they're comfortable with you. Now they're like, oh, they know what they're doing. So it's always good to do things like this, to have different systems and programs in place to just show your audience that you're doing stuff. So I've gotten a lot of great feedback from actual clients, like my clients, my friends, other business professionals. Oh, how did you do this? You know, and I say, ManyChat, you know. So yeah, but I gotta check something because it looked like it was saying something about pro account. I'm like, I got a pro account. Like I thought I paid them every month. But anyway, it's $15. So yeah, so I hope this helps you all. And I'm pretty sure it does. And if you have any other questions, maybe something I didn't answer, because I know it was kind of like really fast, but it's really just that simple. If you have any other questions, let me know. You know, I learned this through the Wolf Pack, you know, the women's call, which is on a Wednesday. And Vanny was explaining how she uses it. And if you go to her page, a lot of her stuff is in Latin. She's a Latin woman. So a lot of it is, you know, in a language that I don't understand anything but English, but she loves it. And she gets a lot of people responding, and she sends them right on where they have to go. They can make an appointment with her through her calendar. They can, you know, go and get some free information. They can get with one of her other team members. Like everything is just completely automated. And so I do this through my Instagram account. I don't use this for Facebook. I use it for Instagram because Instagram is where I'm at mostly. Yeah. So, okay. Well, you all have a great rest of your day, whatever day it is that you're watching this. And again, if you have questions, just let me know and we can talk about it then. Okay.